Roasted chickpea chutney powder. Roasted chickpea or channa dal has an extremely rich nutrient profile. It is very popular in South Indian cuisines, especially in making a variety of chutneys in South India. In this video, we are going to see the most versatile and very popular all-time favorite chutney powder among South Indians. In Telugu, it's called Putnala chutney podi, and in Kannada, it is called Hurikadale chutney podi. Hurikadale refers to roasted chickpea. This has already been roasted and it's commonly used in several South Indian dishes. This chickpea has been roasted without oil and it's a popular snack and used in several South Indian dishes. While there are a list of popular chutney powders in southern part of India, this one is the most versatile of all. Since Hurikadale is the main ingredient, it is called as Hurikadale chutney pudi, that is the split chickpea chutney powder. When we align our recipes more closely with nature, we do experience our energies get aligned for enhanced dynamism. Nature provides a variety of remedies for various health issues. If we choose a diet featuring the right foods, we can take care of many of them. An excellent way to do this is by not compromising with the taste. I choose this very versatile chutney powder in my meal whenever I am short of time. This not only tastes wonderful with plain rice, it also goes well with any variety of dosas, idlis, rotis, chapatis, puris and more. We'll have a look at the ingredients as and when they do appear in the recipe. But if you have your own recipe for chickpea chutney powder, that's well and good. Just make sure that you add any missing ingredient in your recipe so that you can avail of the additional health benefits from those. We use 1 kg roasted channa dal, a quarter kg byaaDagi red chillis, 2 whole dry coconuts grated. These are grated coconuts. The powder from that grated coconut is used. We have 2 spoons of powdered salt. You can use any salt that is suitable for you. Half a spoon of black cumin, kaalaa jeera. 1 spoon of cumin, that is jeera. 10 to 15 black pepper, 8 cloves, lavanga. A little tamarind. 1 spoon of small mustard. Most importantly, we add about 8 spoons of leafy base powder to this list. The link for this leafy based powder will be given in the description below. Now that we have all the ingredients right in front of us, let's get started with the recipe. byaaDagi red chilies are roasted with a little peanut oil which is cold pressed. This roasting not only enhances the flavor and intensifies the color but also balances the spiciness for easy palatability. Most importantly, the texture becomes crispy for easy powdering. You can just mix it well so that the oil is spread out for all the chilies. Once that is done, or simultaneously, grated coconut is roasted separately to make it crispy for easy powdering. All other ingredients are also dry roasted. After these roasted ingredients are cooled down to room temperature, the mixture of all these roasted ingredients is ground. Make sure that you roast each of these separately because that helps it for easy powdering and it makes it crispier as well. Each ingredient brings its own set of nutrients and flavor to make this super tasty, super healthy chutney powder. We have all the ingredients here ready to be ground using the Philips kitchen mixer. Now let's grind all of these crispy roasted ingredients to get our chickpea chutney powder. Here you go. The final output is ready. This is the amount that we have prepared. You can vary the proportions. You can vary the amount according to whatever proportion is useful for your family. Just make sure that you have the exact ratios in a proper way. Once you have the ratios correctly, then the amount doesn't matter, does it? Here you have a very delightfully bright, inviting chutney powder ready for consumption. You can use it for rotis, chapatis, idlis, dosas. You can just have it with rice. The possibilities are indeed endless. Hope you do like this video. Please click the like button to show us that you liked it. Share it with your friends and family who you think will benefit from it. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Your subscription will be an encouragement for our entire team to bring out new videos for you, and ring the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Stay happy, stay healthy. Let's make it all a healthy community together. Until next time, bye-bye.